Well, you know what? Getting into a car accident, you know what? It's scary. And oftentimes you don't even know what to do first or who to turn to for advice. Well, our next guest says, you know what? He's going to help us figure all of that out. Joseph Brown is the founding partner of the Accident Law Group, and he's here really to explain the benefits of having legal representation and, of course, what makes your firm a lot different. And welcome back. It's always good to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you for having me back.
Oh, you're welcome. First of all, tell everybody at home, why is it important, and actually, when is it important to hire a lawyer if you've been into a car accident?
Well, if you've been in a car accident, it's always important to contact a lawyer right away. You want to preserve anything as far as evidence goes. Stories change. People don't always tell the truth after an accident. They don't want their insurance rates to go up.
Right.
Not to mention, you're not thinking clearly.
Exactly.
Yeah, and I was an insurance adjuster, and they taught us, let's get to the injured party as quickly as we can, so that hopefully we can get a statement that maybe puts some blame on them, or maybe says they're not hurt when they truly are hurt, just because they're not completely aware of everything at that point. The adrenaline's running. Yeah,
absolutely. And nobody's thinking clearly at that moment. So, which I find that fascinating, the fact that you used to be an insurance adjuster. And how do you bring that expertise to your practice?
Well, you know what, I often say I know what they're going to do before they've even assigned the adjuster.
Interesting.
I understand the strategy. We give a personal strategy for every case. As soon as I speak with the client, I can already kind of gauge where the insurance company is looking, what angles they're going to try to exploit in order to lessen either the liability or the injury to pay you less, or not pay you at all.
Right, exactly. And part of what you do is you really are educating us on what is the difference between some companies or firms will call themselves a discount firm, but that's not necessarily the case. I want to put up a graphic here, and you've kind of explained it here. And when a discount law firm says, let's just say somebody's get a settlement of $15,000, explain to me what's happening here at a discount law firm.
So at a $15,000 fee, a lot of firms advertise they offer a discount fee to put more money in your pocket. In this case, they've got a 30% fee, $4,500. Medical bills are $9,000, at least $1,500 for the client to take home. $15,000 settlement is the state minimum, and we see a lot of those settlements because people carry the state minimum as far as insurance goes.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, so but your firm is a bit different, and look, I mean, you could see just by the bottom line.
You look at the bottom line now. We offer a guarantee. We're never going to take more money than the client. I've personally been injured in an accident, so I don't want to take more than a client. I understand you're the one that's hurt. You should get more. This scenario, same numbers, $15,000. So we reduce our fee to take the same as a client. So we reduce our fee to $3,000, pay the outstanding medical bills of $9,000, the client walks away with $3,000. That's 100% difference than what you're dealing with even with a discount fee. I know they advertise they put more money in your pocket. We guarantee that we don't take more than you, and that's what makes us different.
Okay, and you got to ask that question, right?
Very much so.
Is it ever too late to call an attorney after a car accident?
It's never too late. We're always happy to sit down and talk to people. I mean, there's, there are some cases we can't take because maybe it's gone too late, or the statute of limitations is run, or maybe they've made some mistakes that we can't fix. And that's why I always tell people, call us immediately. They're going to ask you questions. They're trained to ask you questions in ways to hurt your case.
Wow.
And I was trained that way, so I understand what they're looking for.
Yeah, got to have somebody on your side at that point.
Exactly.
Joseph, thank you very much. Always good information. Let me give you the contact information. You should probably keep it in your car. How about that? Accident Law Group is located at 3923 South McClintock Drive. That's Suite 409 in Tempe. Here's the number to call, 262, let me say that again, 602-262-4ALG. Okay, or there's a website, 4ALG.com, to learn more.